kind of sitting. Wow, boom. There he goes. Hi, Ian. You have a choo-choo car? You have a choo-choo car? Cute boy. You shared a car with Isaac, I see. That was very nice. Let's see if Isaac wants to try to sit up again. Alright, Isaac. Gotta get your feet all set. There he goes. He's 6 months old yesterday. Maybe 2 days ago. Wow, there he goes. Won't be long. You good enough to play with Isaac? Oh, he's wild and crazy. Your Uncle Adam would love your shirt. It's got a motorcycle on it. Here's a busy boy. You dropped your car. Oh, bless you. They're both sniffly. You're both sniffly. Where did you get those unauthorized bugs? Hmm? Whoa. Isaac thinks his brother is funny. Whoop, there he goes.
He's so smart. Ah!
Back he goes.
Oh.
Bonk.
Gets excited.
There he goes.
You've been sitting up for like 5 minutes, right?
Yep. Hi, Isaac. Hey there, boy. Jolly boy.
Ah. Whoa.
Whoa.
Caught yourself. That was pretty good. That's pretty good. You're getting so excited. Okay, he wants to stand. He wants to stand.
Yeah, you